Edward I was one of the most able and ably advised of all the monarchs of England. The foundations of English literature and Parliament were laid in his reign. The pretensions of the Church were reduced and contained. The system of feudal levies was adapted and transformed to provide a fighting force of immense flexibility and power. He was a man of commanding presence, tall, handsome, and spare. On the field of battle, he was fearless. In his private life, chaste. He was sober in his mode of living, dressing simply, and was constant in his religious devotions. But the overriding element in his character was his unquestioning belief that whatever he desired was right, and in the interests of all concerned. A contemporary wrote, "He is valiant as a lion, quick to attack the strongest, and fearing the onslaught of none. But if a lion in pride and fierceness, he is a panther in fickleness and inconstancy, changing his word and promise, cloaking himself by pleasant speech. When he is cornered, he promises whatever you wish, but as soon as he has escaped, he forgets his promise. The treachery or falsehood by which he is advanced, he calls prudence, and the path by which he attains his ends, however crooked, he calls straight, and whatever he likes, he says is lawful." When the news had come of his brother-in-law's death, he pondered deeply on the consequences. Hitherto, if he was involved in continental warfare, he had known that he had a friendly ruler at his back. Now no such certainty obtained. The French already had links with Scotland, through Alexander's widow Yolande de Dreux, and could strengthen them to their advantage. Above all, the Maid of Norway, with the Scottish kingdom as her dowry, would soon excite the interest of royal suitors from the courts of Europe. It was essential that he had as much control of Scotland as he had of Wales.